Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Regions Bank online, secure method step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Regions Bank, which is www.regions.com. Once the site loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your user ID and password. Enter your user ID in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you prefer, you can check the box labeled Remember User ID for quicker access in the future. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your online banking dashboard. In the event you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the respective link provided. Follow the prompts to recover or reset your login information. After successfully logging in, navigate to the various banking services available to you. Always make sure to log out after you've completed your banking tasks for security reasons. That's how you securely log in to Regions Bank online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.